Hey you guys, Carissa here, Marketing Director and HR Generalist here at Offutt Collision Repair. I just wanted to send you a couple of different videos today talking all about the Sarpy County Chamber of Commerce. So, video number 1, why join a chamber? Well, joining a chamber is much like joining a gym, right? I sit down with businesses all the time and they ask me, why should I join? What are the benefits I'm gonna get out of it? And what can I expect? Well, I also sit down with people and they say, joining the chamber just didn't work for me and my business. And that is a big question because I'm always like, why? Why didn't joining a chamber help grow your business? Because it has helped grow Offutt Collision Repair a lot. I can't even put a word on it. We have just grown in the last couple of years since joining the chamber, or since really getting involved, I should say. We've always been a chamber member. But it's not only helped Offutt grow, but it's also helped me grow personally and professionally. I have grown my contact sphere so far that I get to send videos like this out to you guys, but just getting to know people and supporting other small businesses is a huge passion of mine. And so joining the chamber, again, not only helped Offutt grow, but it also has helped me grow, and it of course continues to help me grow. I like to look at chamber membership like a gym membership. You all know I love my fitness and I am addicted to it. But what happens when you join a gym and you don't show up? Right? I got nothing. Well, when you join a gym and you do make the time to go to the gym and eat right? Results start happening. Same thing with the chamber, you guys. If you join the chamber and you don't do anything with your membership, it's just gonna sit there. And then in a year, you're gonna be like, why did I just waste a couple hundred of very important marketing dollars on this chamber? Well, I'm here to tell you, when you get involved with the chamber, things start to fly. Like, you get so busy, it's kind of not even funny. It's super fun as an ambassador to watch these businesses grow to the point where they're so busy they just can't attend these groups anymore. It's really, really cool thing to do. But ways I get involved in the chamber, and by all means, you do not have to do them all. You can start small and add up. So I use the chamber as a way of marketing, right? Their contacts, if I have 100, they have thousands, okay? So they can help market Offutt Collision Repair beyond belief, right? They have emails, they have sponsorship opportunities available. They even have, if you're a small business that doesn't know anything about marketing, they provide lunch and learns so that you can learn these types of things. It's a crucial thing to attend those types of events. So while we're on events, as an ambassador, I make it a point to show up to ribbon cuttings, after hours, coffee and contacts. And it's not just because I want to start my day with amazing people and end my day with amazing people. It's because I get to meet people, grow my business, right? Networking always hasn't been super easy for me, but throughout the years of really getting out there, you guys, networking is so powerful, and some bosses don't even realize this awesome tool yet. So if you don't have anyone that is out doing marketing for you or out representing your company, I would highly encourage you to start sending someone to some of these events and growing your brand, right? It's brand recognition. Other ways, I attend the WOW, which is Wisdom of Worth. It's women getting together and empowering other women and lifting them up instead of tearing them down. So it's a way that I can grow my sphere with other influential women. It's really an amazing thing. Those are like quarterly, so super, super low key. You don't have to attend something every month. Let's see, Sarpy County Young Professionals, right? I was on the advisory committee for them years ago. I love their events. They're young, they're fresh, a lot of networking events, but a lot of growing personally, right? Because as individuals, when we start to excel at our own jobs, companies benefit huge. So it's definitely good to get your young professionals out there and get them learning what networking is all about. Tips groups. The chamber has lots of tips groups. I happen to be in the 2 best ones. So tips groups is you get together, you start growing relationships with the core people. They become your salesmen, right? Where else can you go to a 1-hour meeting and have 25 businesses there telling them what the good leads are for you this week and what a great referral for you would be this week, or hey you guys, business is slow, I'd really appreciate X, Y, and Z sent to me this week. Or how about this? Hey, we're hiring. Does anybody know anyone that wants a job? So these groups I look at as my own personal sales force, because I can only be in so many places at once. So these tips groups are amazing. If you're interested in tips groups, I have written down below on this email the different times and the locations that my groups meet. And last, I know I touched it again, but events. The Sarpy Chamber does so many events. And the best thing about the Sarpy Chamber is they're almost all free, right? There are lots of chambers that charge you to attend coffees and contacts after hours. It's kind of silly if you ask me, because you are a member, they're trying to meet other members, and the chamber just wants to help you grow, and your business grow and flourish and become 1 shop becomes 2 shops. So we just really want the best for you. If you have any more questions about what the chamber can offer, again, below, I've told you that I am more than happy to pick up the phone, have a phone conversation, or meet me for coffee. Thanks, guys.